You all ready?
Yes.
Great. And we all are in the same room, so all of us are looking at one screen. That way you don't have to send 5 or 4 links to each of us.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, it really is.
Anyway, let's get started.
We can't wait to do this.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Cassie, Molly,
Elias.
Jamie.
Riolu.
And Lucario here.
Today's reaction vid is called
Now, finally, it's our turn to help.
Yeah, let's do this.
Caillou knocks down the soda vending machine / grounded.
I'm thirsty. I am going to buy myself a Canada Dry soda. What the? Oh no. My Canada Dry soda got stuck inside the vending machine and won't come out. Maybe I will try knocking it down to get the soda out of it.
Cast pause here 020.
Okay.
Great job, Master. Why is Caillou going to knock down the soda machine just because his Canada Dry soda got stuck?
I don't know. But that's not a good idea.
I agree. He should ask someone for help. That's the best thing to do.
Yeah, I agree.
I agree as well.
Same.
Woohoo! I finally got the Canada Dry soda out of the machine. Caillou. Woohoo! I finally got the Canada Dry soda out of the machine.
Caillou, what the hell just happened here? You knocked down the soda vending machine, didn't you?
Well, the Canada Dry soda got stuck inside of it, so I had to knock it down to get it out.
Oh, for heaven's sake, you could have just asked for help to sort it out or to get your money back. Get out of the school now. You were expelled.
Cast pause here 053.
Okay.
Great job, Master. I agree. That is what you get for knocking down the vending machine and not asking for help.
I agree as well. You should have just asked for help.
Agreed. Agree.
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 Caillou, I am very disappointed in you that you got expelled for knocking down the vending machine. While you were expelled, I am punishing you by grounding you for 10,000 days.
Take that, you scoundrel.
How dare you to get me all wet with Canada Dry soda? That is it. You are even more grounded and more grounded for 20,000 days. Give me your soda and go to your room.
Cast pause here 127.
Okay.
Great job, Master. Why did he have to squirt his dad with soda? That's not right.
I agree. That is not right at all.
Agreed. Agreed.
Agreed.
Agreed.
Hey guys, it's Lucario.
And Riolu here.
So unfortunately, our master is not doing too good. She's currently not feeling up to using her real voice.
The reason why my dad said that was because unfortunately we found out that our master was not feeling good, so when she is not feeling good, she will go to her backup plan, which is using her TTS voice until she gets better.
So we hope that you all are going to be okay with the changes, especially when our master is not feeling good. So we hope you all understand.
Hey guys, it's Cassie here with the Julie voice. So before Lucario and Riolu come out here to do the outro, I would just want to say, I will be using my Julie voice and not my real voice because currently I am not feeling good, and when I'm not feeling good, I will go to my backup plan, which is my Julie voice. So that is all I want to say. I hope you'll be alright with the changes. Anyways, bye. And remember, don't drive like my brother.
Yeah, don't drive like my brother.
And don't drive like my brother. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. We'll see you all in the next video. This is Riolu, my dad and our pal signing off.
And maybe Aura be with you all.
Thank you, Elias and Riolu, for helping me. I really appreciate it.
NP. Cass.
NP. Master.